Hi everyone. It's a good day today. Mavs won finally against Golden State and a fantastic player named Steph Curry. I mean, what a performance. Absolutely unbelievable shooter. Greatest respect for him. But also, the Dallas Mavericks has a player that is becoming a legendary player. It's not time yet to be talking about legend, but right now we are talking about one of the best players in the NBA and the whole world. So Luka Doncic with 42 points, 11 assists, 7 boards, and a fantastic game. I was wondering if you know how it's hard to be a Dallas Mavericks fan right now here in Slovenia. You know, you're waking up every other day in 2 a.m. or 1:30 a.m. Last game was 2:30 a.m. So we are getting about 3 or max 4 hours till game if we are going to sleep in 10 p.m. And then the game is over in 2.5 hours. And if I have a small kid like I have, you're probably going to be wake up in about 7 a.m. Same day. But that's just the life of a Dallas Mavericks fan here in Slovenia. Sometimes it's very stressful, but anyway. Let's go to the game. Dallas started fantastic. It was what, like 16-3, something like that. That's the greatest start from what of the season, something like that, probably, yeah. Of course, Golden State come near in the third quarter. I think there was a 1 point deficit, but Luka hit some clutch shots. Also, Maxi had a great game, huge performance, couple of clutch shots. Porzingis hit something from the post. This is what we need. And I think the whole chemistry was there in the right place. So we just gotta move on like this, you know. A couple more of home games are ahead of us, so let's keep moving on that winning streak. This is what we need, you know. The defense was not there yet. I don't like the defensive situations right now, but okay, we have a win. That's all it matters right now. We're gonna keep improving through games. What did you think about the game? What did you think about performance of Luka Doncic, Porzingis, and of course of Steph Curry? This man is out of his mind. I'm really unbelievable player. So as Luka. Thank you once again for watching my videos. Please follow me through these games. You can see I'm doing more analysis now because all of these COVID situations keep me out from the work. But anyway, this will change soon, hopefully. Stay safe. Bye. Greg was here with you. Thank you once again. Bye.
Hey, do not forget to subscribe to my channel.